नाज़रीन, इस वक्त हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं मुर्क इलाही। और मुर्क इलाही को कौन नहीं जानता, क्योंकि यहाँ पे अगर हम बात करें यूए इंडस्ट्री की, रियल एस्टेट इंडस्ट्री की, तो रियल एस्टेट में एज ए ब्रोकर काम कर रही हैं। और अभी हमारी हाल ही में पाकिस्तान बिजनेस ग्रुप वुमेन विन की जो है जनरल सेक्रेटरी मुंतखब हुई हैं। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम सलाम,
बहुत
कैसे
मुबारक हो
हैं?
आपको। मैं बिल्कुल
बहुत
ठीक
बहुत
ठाक।
शुक्रिया। बस मुझे अभी लाइक आई फील overwhelmed to get this opportunity, and now I get that time to proceed with that PBG along with lots of people here. So yeah, I'm praying and like towards the path of Faraz bhai, I will be like grow with PBG here with lots of people. And yeah, it's in Dubai, what my like target is to get more women here who are entrepreneurs. So this is
Yeah.
a very main and good platform here to grow with them.
Yeah.
So because it's very productive, and everybody is here who are successfully working in the PBG and
Yeah.
like going with a good flow. So yeah, I my like good wishes with the PBG, and my path is to work with the PBG. Like thank you so
So how
much.
you feel your responsibility as the
Yeah,
general secretary here?
now
Because I think it's a very big responsibility.
that's the main thing, because now
Can
I
you
have
manage
to
with
be
the real estate as a
responsible.
broker and the general
Yeah,
secretary?
because there's a both thing in a one in a
Yeah.
one like a country.
Yeah.
So I have to be like tackle both situation together,
And you
because
are,
this year.
mashallah, already very active.
Yeah, alhamdulillah. But now I just have a responsibility, because to grow with the PBG and
Exactly.
get engaged lots of people in PBG right now. So yeah, that's my aim, to grow with the PBG and get more people involved with PBG.
Okay, yeah. What do you say about the girls? Because here today we have a dinner from
Yeah.
Iqbal Atwani Saab, and it's a great privilege, you can say, because all the Pakistani businessmen are here.
Yeah.
So what do you say about girl food?
Yeah, see, it's a B2B,
Yeah.
and not and in Pakistan, not on the privilege of Pakistan. There's a lots of countries they've been
Exactly.
into Gulf. So yeah, and when I went and when I visited Gulf food, there's a lots of people. Like there's a many huge brands over there. So I went and I was like very privileged to see that our country is
Yeah.
that much getting achievements. So
Exactly.
yeah, that's the thing, and I feel very proud that I'm from that country.
So feel proud and be
Yeah,
proud because we are
alhamdulillah.
Pakistani. So Pakistan Zindabad.
Yeah,
Thank
thank you
you.
so much.
Hira Thank you.